Hello and welcome to a new video on our YouTube channel. Today you review a site called MailGPT. We will know everything about this software and we will discuss it from inside, from here. As you can see, if you purchase MailGPT, you will find this dashboard. I will show you this dashboard from inside, and also I will show you the full demo about this software and how you can use it, and my custom bonus if you want to purchase through my link in the description box. But in the first, I want to show you MailGPT from the sales page. You will find that it is actually a software allow you to make a powerful email marketing with the power of the artificial intelligence. You will create unlimited email, and you can send also unlimited emails to a customer because this software has built-in SMTP, so you don't have to purchase any other email marketing autoresponder to start your own email marketing campaign. So you have all what you need here in this software, and also you can design and create your own messages and email marketing. So, and also you can see here all of this feature about this product, and also you will find all of this testimonial. If you like, you will see how you can use it also here with this three steps. But now I will show you the dashboard of this product. You will see here the AI email rewriter and subscriber and messages. Here you can add your subscriber, you can create your list, and after that you can add your subscriber, so you can import it from PC or from copy and paste. And also you can, after that, you can make your own messages. You can create, enter any keyword here. I will create and I will enter affiliate marketing as a test, and after that click on write. So as you can see here, this software is writing the subject, the title you will send to customer, and also you will find that it is writing the body and the content of your email. So it is a very good and very clear text, and of course you can use this text to send to all your customer without any experience and without any skills. You will get an email copy for you, and after that you can analytic your newsletter and also autoresponder. You can also make and create an automation through this software. So it is actually a high quality software, will allow you to make a lot of things, and I will show you now the full demo, and after the demo I will discuss with you how you can use it and my custom bonus. So as we saw in the demo, you can make a lot of things through this MailGPT, and I will give you a full tutorial on how you can make your email list and how you can collect all the email leads you want. And my second custom bonus, I will give you a full tutorial on how you can use ChatGPT to make a lot of money through email marketing. So I will give you all of this two custom bonus if you want to purchase MailGPT through my link in the description box. And that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and see you in a next video.